Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Divina Safra, 42 years old. I am single. I have four children, ages of 24, 22, 9, and 3 years old. I am undergraduate of college in course of Bachelor of Science and Technology, and I have working experience as domestic helper in Oman for 2 years. My duty and my responsibilities are to take care of their children, washing clothes, ironing, cleaning, cooking, and sometimes washing car. To my dear future employer, sir and ma'am, you can trust me because I'm a hardworking person, happy person, loyal, and trustworthy. I'm dedicated to my work, even without your supervision. I'm willing to learn and I'm faster learner. I want to work in Hong Kong to support my family and to give the good future to my children. Thank you and good day. God bless. See you in Hong Kong.